In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple WhatsApp web accounts on Chrome in Windows. If you've ever found yourself needing to manage more than one WhatsApp account simultaneously, whether it's for personal use and work or different organizations, this guide is exactly what you need. Together we'll explore a simple yet efficient method to open multiple WhatsApp web sessions on your computer. All you'll need is your Chrome browser and a smartphone with your WhatsApp account ready to go. So let's dive right in. The first thing we're going to do is open a new incognito or private window in Chrome. To get started, open your Chrome browser and look towards the upper right hand corner. You'll notice three small vertical dots which you'll want to click on to open the menu. Go ahead and select New Incognito Window from the drop down menu that appears. This action will open a new window in incognito mode, which is particularly useful here as it allows us to log into a separate session without interfering with any existing sessions you might have open. Once your incognito window is open, navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Simply type the URL directly into the address bar and press enter. You'll be taken to the familiar WhatsApp web login page. Here you'll find a QR code displayed on the screen. Now, the next step involves a quick action using your smartphone. Grab your phone, open the WhatsApp app and find the option to open WhatsApp Web. For most devices you can access this by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner and selecting WhatsApp Web. Now focus your phone's camera on the QR code shown in your incognito window. Your phone will automatically detect the code and log you into WhatsApp Web. Give it a moment and you should see your chats populate on the screen. This is great for one account, but what if you want to open more than two? We have a simple solution for that as well. In addition to Chrome's incognito window, you can use entirely different browsers for each additional account you need to manage. You can, for instance, open Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge and repeat the same steps we just walked through. Each browser allows its own independent WhatsApp web session, so you can have a different account running in each one seamlessly. By using these multiple browsers or instances like incognito, you can effortlessly manage different accounts at the same time without any hassle. This method is not only efficient, but also keeps everything organized and separate. Now you know how to juggle multiple WhatsApp web accounts using Chrome and other browsers. It's as easy as opening a few windows and scanning a QR code. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.